Hi, my name is Azwa Akmal Hakim bin Nur Azli. My matrix number is 33 DPE 19F 2060, and this is my video to explain about heat exchanger. Okay, first, working principle of heat exchanger. A heat exchanger is a heat transfer device that exchange heat between two or more process fluid. Heat exchanger have widespread in industrial and domestic application. Many type of heat exchanger have been developed for use in steam power plant, chemical processing in plant, building heat and air conditioning system, transportation power system, and refrigeration units. There are many type of heat exchanger applied in process industry. Okay, next, LMTD or log mean temperature difference method. Since the temperature differences is continuously decrease, we have to take average of all those temperature different using the LMTD method. So this is the formula. As we can see, this is the formula. Okay, next, number of transfer units, NTU. For finding the heat transfer rate as well as the exit temperatures of hot and cold fluid by using NTU equal UA MCP min. So as we can see, this is the formula and the graph lah. So next, plate and frame exchanger. Plate and frame exchanger working principle. First, a plate exchanger consists of a series of parallel plates that are placed one above the other so as a allow formation of a series of channel for fluid to flow between them. The space between two adjacent plates form the channel is which the fluid flow. Inlet and outlet holes at the corner of the plates allow hot and cold fluid through alternating channel in the heat exchanger, so that a plate is always in contact on one side with the hot fluid and the other side with the cold. Generally, these plates are corrugated in order to increase the turbulence, the thermal exchange surface, to provide mechanical rigidity to the exchanger. As we can see, this is the diagram of the heat exchanger. So this is construction of the plate and frame exchanger. First, the frame is put together. It consists of a frame and pressure plates, top and bottom carrying bars and connection. The end plate is the first plate to be hung in the frame. For the second, then the plates corresponding to the plates specification are positioned in the frame. Third, the tightening bolt third, the plate packed in the tightened by means of a spanner of any other suitable tool to a set measure specified in the plate specification. Components of plate and frame exchanger: front body and with inlet outlet connection and heat exchanger information. Upper and lower bearing shaft used to fix the heat exchanger plates. The first plate that prevent fluid from contacting the front body. Heat exchanger flow plates that allow the passage of fluid that provide heat transfer. The plate that prevent the fluid from contacting the rear body. Rear body with assembly that is movable. On shaft with maintenance instruction. And the last one starts with washer that keeps the plate in a certain tightening size. Okay, as we can see, this is the diagram of the component for heat exchanger plates. They have a few component there. Okay, next we move to the advantage of plate and frame exchanger. The heat transfer precision improve temperature approach through counter current flow, 80 to 90% less hold out volume, a low cost for low capital investment, installation cost, limited maintenance and operating cost, greatest reliability, it less fouling, stress, wear and corrosion. It also responsible, least energy consumption for most process effect, reduce cleaning, and it also easy to expand capacity. It's mean adjustable plates on accessing the frames. And this is the disadvantages of plate and frame exchanger. Poor sealing with case leakage occurs with will be a replacement hassle. Limited operating temperature due to temperature resistance of the gasket material. Next, small flow parts and not suitable for gas-to-gas heat exchanger or steam condensation. It also high blockage occurrence, especially with suspended solid in fluids. And the last one for the disadvantages of plate and frame exchanger, the flow resistance is larger than the shell and tubes. Okay, that's all from me for this presentation. Thank you.